Guys, today we are going to do the review of straight teeth direct. A lot of people are suffering from crooked teeth, just like me. If you can see this and this. So I basically find this website called Straight Teeth Direct. It provides clear aligners. So the whole process is, first of all, you have to order this smile box, and let me show you. This is the smile box. So this is our box. So let me open this. This is called smile box home impression kit. One packet, second packet, third one. Oh my god, these are trays, I guess, to take our impression. And what is this? Okay, these are, I guess we have to mix one white and one purple to make our impression. Okay, these are gloves. Show you the trays. This is for my upper teeth, this is for my lower teeth. Okay, this is the white one, this is the purple one, and we have to mix them. And the most important thing, my watch. Oh, we have 1 minute, and now we have only 30 seconds to mix them. Now time is running, time is running, and I guess we are done. Make this like this, and this, and I'm gonna take my impression. So I got my plan. They have sent me one PDF and also one 3D simulation video that shows how my teeth will move and how much time it will take. So let's move on to the plan. This is the video they have sent me. It will show me how my teeth will look like after 10 months, how their movement will be from every angle. Now as you can see, teeth are moving, shifting, and that's cool. So after that it will be very nice, and it's just 10 months. Many dentists told me that it will take around 1.5 or 2 years at least, and they were not giving any kind of guarantee of how it will look like. I've ordered my aligners. So they've given me around 28 days. Within 28 days my aligners will come. Hey everyone, it's me again with my third video. I got my aligner and currently I'm on my second set of aligner. So first of all, I'll show you what I got in that box. So these are my aligners and I'll show you how to wear them, although these are kind of comfortable actually. I'll show you closely. Actually these are barely visible, and if you can feel a little bit of lisp is there. Anyone of you want to go for the liner, I would definitely recommend that. So I will show you the photos when I first wear the liner and what the position now is, and actually it improved in 2 weeks. It's already been 5 months, rather more than 5 months since I'm using these aligner. As you can see, currently I'm wearing those liners. It will be really great to have a nice smile, and as you can see, this is amazing. Actually my these two teeth, this one and this one, Actually, so much difference is there. It will shift the teeth, so there will be some pain. But if you are continuously using it for more than 20 hour or 18 hour at least, then you won't have any problem. Yeah, some lisp is there, but it's fine actually. It's not that much. So till then, bye bye, take care.